Okay, so the first thing I'm doing to start my kitchen renovation is to take the border wallpaper off. First layer just came right off, all the way down, that'll be easy. Just to get the glue off. So what I do is I use hot water with some vinegar, and I just throw a little bit of grapefruit essential oil in here because my kids complain about the smell of vinegar. So that is just because it's a cheaper oil for me and they like that smell. So that's that, you guys. Wallpaper coming down. Like this, it's a good day. Here we are, next day. Today was also the first day that our pond is completely thawed.
And we're back. Today we got some of the top carriers on that'll support our rafters in the long run. Got a couple cross braces on, a lot of the perimeter framing is done. Had a pretty good weekend, I think.
The sun's setting and the animals are getting fed dinner. Sun's going down. Work. But it's always progress. Got a big pile over there and another pile here. I found this wood. Let's see what you think. I think for some 3 shelves, we could sand it down. It's pretty thick, so it's a thicker piece. It's almost off. So it's not gonna completely expose. There's still wood behind here. To take 3 of these pieces in the kitchen and use for some shelves.
I don't know the words. Build the bird feeders today.
So we get a huge bag, of course, of Berkeley Jensen birdseed. It's $9.99.